Hello guys, welcome to Roro's Kitchen. In today's video we are going to be making cheese pie. So as you can see in the video, we already mixed the dough off camera. Then we allow it to rest a while we prepare the filling we are going to add. Then after resting, we bring the dough out and we are going to roll it a little bit in our one surface. Then after rolling it in the one surface, we are going to divide it into tiny pieces, just the way you are seeing me doing it in this video. If today is your first time coming across my Facebook page or my YouTube channel, what are you waiting for? Like, follow, subscribe, and always drop me your beautiful comment. As you can see in the video, we are going to be rolling it. We're almost done loading it. This is the last one. Then after rolling it, we are going to use our bowl to separate it, the excess one, and we are going to set it aside. Then we are going to roll the other one again, then roll it a bit round. Then after rolling it, the next thing we are going to do is to add the filling we already prepared down. We add the filling. After adding the filling, this filling was so sweet, so yummy, and so amazing. It make the meat pie so yummy. Then we are going to go in with cheese. After adding the cheese, then we are going to use the other one that will first of all rolled before to seal it up, just like this. Then after sealing it up, we are still going to use our bowl again to separate it, the excess one out, just the way you are seeing me doing it in this video. Then we are going to use our fork to seal it tight to make sure that the edge was so sealed nice and okay, to avoid not to get burst. You know that I added cheese, definitely, so I don't want the cheese to get burst while they are melting. So that is why I need to cut out the excess one. Then I will use the fork to seal it thoroughly. Then after that, I'm going to set it aside. Then I'm going to repeat the same process again, just the way you are seeing me doing it in this video. Roll, separate the excess one, set the other one aside. Then you are going to arrange the other one again, and you are going to add the filling. Then you use the first one that you already select to cover it. Go in with cheese and you are going to cover it. You see, this meat pie cheese tastes so amazing. The cheese, the filling, the meat pie, it was so yummy. The filling alone take this meat pie to another level. So I don't know if you are going to try this homemade cheese meat pie. It was so yummy, so simple, and so amazing. I make full baking tray, 1.5 of baking tray. As you can see, the meat pie is ready. What you are going to do now is to put a hole in the center, just like this. The tray was full. Then we are going to put the other one in the separate baking tray. Then we are going to put a hole in the middle. Then after that, we are going to scrub egg on top. This is the second pan. We are going to scrub egg on top. After scrubbing the egg, we are going to put them in the oven and allow it to bake. As you can see, our cheese meat pie is ready. This homemade cheese pie tastes so amazing. It was so crunchy, so soft inside, and so amazing. I bet you to go and try this homemade cheese pie. You are going to love it, you are going to like it, and your kids, we are going to enjoy it. Do you know my children use this meat pie or cheese pie for breakfast? As you can see, the inside was so soft, it was so nice, and the outside was crushing. It was so amazing. Don't forget to follow, don't forget to like, and don't forget to subscribe. Remain blessed and stay tuned. Bye.